Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to create a password protected folder using Notepad. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open Notepad. Then the next step, what you need to do is I'll be providing one command in the video description too. You can download this command from the link given below in the description. Once you download, you copy this command and paste it in the Notepad. Now you can see here this line, type your password here. So you type your password here. Say I'm typing this just for the reference. You can give any password here. Once you have given the password, what you need to do, you need to click on this file, click on save. Now here you need to give the file name as folder log.bat. Once you have put the name as folder log.bat, click on save. Now you can see here a folder log batch file has been created in your desktop. Now what you need to do, just double left click it. A new folder has been created named as locker, you can see below. Now just double tap it to open it, so there is no files inside it. So what you can do is you can drag and drop here any file inside this folder. Just close this window. Now to log it, what you need to do is just double left click this folder log again. Now what you need to do here, you're being asked, are you sure you want to log the folder? Yes or no. Just press Y, hit enter in your keyboard. The folder icon has been hidden now. Now to unhide and open this folder again, what you need to do is just left double click and you need to type the password you have put it earlier. Once you have typed the password, hit enter. Your hidden folder or the log folder will be displayed again. So in this way you can create a password protected folder using Notepad. I'm sure it is a cool tips that you should definitely try out in your Windows computer. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.